Namaskar students, the next question for you is this. We are going to discuss this question today. It's also an NCERT question and not a difficult one. Same formula to be applied, same type of the question is that. But before coming on this, I would like to tell you people, some of one has sent me a request that if the first class is model class or the last class is model class, then what to do? Problem comes because we need F1, F0, F2 also. F0 means class of preceding frequency of preceding class. F2 is frequency of succeeding class. So hereby no one is succeeding preceding class, as well as here is no one is succeeding class. So what will happen? I would like to help you people with the example. Say your class, your school is up to 12th standard. Somebody asks from you, what is the strength of the students in BSc of your school? I obviously will say 0. In other words, I would like to tell when we have to say, just for example, I am taking this class is having 33 students. Say 33 students are there. Then obviously model class is this one. So F0 will be before it. F1 is 8, it's okay. But problem is that when this class 15 to 20, before it no class is there, then we have to assume a class ourselves known as dummy class, and obviously it may, I want to know why we have not mentioned here class 10 to 15, because there was no frequency at all. Frequency was 0. Frequency was 0. In that case, I would like to tell you when first class is model class, F0 will be 0. When last class is model class, then F2 will be 0. Because after this there is no class, so we can assume the class of 55 to 60 is having its frequency 0. That's why that is not mentioned here. I hope it's clear. This question was asked by somebody in comment box also, so I would like to tell you about it. Now come on this question. I hope your problem is removed now. Come on this question. The question says to find the mod of this given data. Class interval given, number of students per teacher in different union territories or states given to you. Complete question I would like to read. It is question number 4. Exercise 14.2. The following distribution gives the statewide teacher-students ratio in higher secondary school of India. Higher secondary school of India. Find the mode and mean of the data. Interpret the two measures. So mean, I am not going to discuss here mean. I would like to be focused on mode only. But how to compare them, I will tell you in some other video. Let's see. So hereby one thing is very clear, which one is model class. So first of all, we have to specify the model class. Model class is (30 to 35). This is model class. When model class is there, then different things are clear. What is L? 30. What is F1? 10. What is F0? 9. What is F2? 3. What is H? Class interval 5. So we can use the formula for it. So mode is equal to, again L. L means 30 plus F1, that is 10, minus F0, 9, upon twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2, again to be multiplied by the height of the class, that is 5. So we have 30 plus 1 into 5 upon 20 minus 12, 8. 30 plus 5 upon 8. Now simplify it. One more thing I would like to tell you for convention. This to be solved separate. Don't take LCM and solve. Solve it separate. For convention, not a rule, but it is for convention, we must have to solve it separately. Okay, now what shall we get? We'll get 30 plus 5 is to be divided by 8. 8 6 ja 48, remains 2 20, 8 2 ja 16, 8 5 ja 40. So 30.625 is your answer. 30.625. You can approximate it, but it is all for this question. I hope it is understood by you all. Let's take the next question. Next question is, question number 6. Student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods, each of 3 minutes, and summarized it in the table given below. This is the table where it is summarized. Find the mode of the data. It is question number 6. Exercise the same, 14.2. Let's see. Again we can check it for its model class. We can see the maximum frequency is of the class 40 to 50. So this class is model class. So we have to come on direct model class. It must be written. Model class must be made clear. That is 40 to 50. This class is model class. Very clearly L is known to us now. L, that is 40, F1 20, F0 12, F2 11, and H is clearly 10. So we can apply now in the formula already written there. The mod, that is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 times F1 in minus F0 minus F2 into H. Put the values available. So 40 plus F1 is 20 minus 12 upon 2 times 20 minus 12 minus what is F2? 11 into H is 10 already. So 40 plus it is 8 into 10. This 10 will go to multiply the numerator only. So 8 into 10 upon this 40 minus 23. 40 minus 23. Finally what we have? 40 plus 80 upon 40 minus 23. 17. That is 17. Now divide it. 40 plus 80 to be divided by 17. Again I am reminding you people not to take LCM. Go direct to divide. 70 8 ja 68. 80 minus 68, that is 12. So decimal is already are kept here. So we can put a 0 over there. We will have 120. 17 7 ja 119. So in this way we have got approximately 44.7. This is approximate answer for this thing. 44.7. That's all for this video. And if you have any problem, you can also pass on comment box. In comment box, when I will see, I will respond you. And also those who have my WhatsApp number, they can pass the question on the WhatsApp number also. Not only this topic, other topics also can be entertained. Thank you. Thanks a lot.